been looking for you all day, bro. The artwork in here is crazy. Life is a highway. Sick. You got Lightning McQueen watching you. What you got, baby? You got some salmon?
Right back here, Destiny discovered. So
there's the dream, babe. Look at the dream.
Bye, Bahamas. Day 4 is over. Night 4 begins. This is the beginning of night 4. What do we got on the plan for tonight?
We're gonna see the Hercules show. Then we have dinner at 8:15. Hurry up! And
Go
then
to the spa before I run out of time.
chop chop.
Hey, we got sunset pictures. I just got back from Atlantis to be at the Nassau. I was with the Dolphins all day. And now it's time to go! I'm back on the ship. She has a whole itinerary for me. For all the infinity stones.
Last time on the elevator. No.
Last night on Disney Destiny, I'm going Thanos. I'm looking for all the infinity stones. I got them all actually. She wants to take sunset photos with Thanos. We're trying to catch the sunset. We got it. Put your little selfie stick up. Oh yeah, sunset after seeing some dolphins. Now we're going to the Hercules show. I heard Hercules has one of my infinity rings. Let's go to the Hercules show, baby. Hurry, we gotta go. It starts at 6. You hit the Mickey.
Oh my god.
Mickey hand to open it.
We're about to go see the Hercules show. We're in our
It looked amazing. Her hair looked amazing.
Thank you. Yes.
You look amazing.
I know it's
Yes.
blown out and it's been working for me.
Congratulations. For
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Oh, Encanto. Joe, look at Hercules right here. Hercules show is sick.
Thanks, guys.
Wow.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Show is so sick.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
So sick. Man, the singing, the acting is on point, y'all. I would definitely recommend the Hercules show. We're on day 4 on the Disney Destiny. What a sick show. Hey, this is your first charm?
My first charm.
So you're only gonna have one charm on your bracelet?
Yeah.
No, don't hold it. We're here for the raffle. I'm trying to get some more infinity stones. There's some. I don't have a green. You got an infinity.
I got it.
I found another green infinity stone, but I think mine's better. I got my treasure right here. Not these 5 stones. I'm talking about this one. Even Thanos has a heart.
However, the fun is not over as yet. Before I'm going to say goodbye to you. So now that you have seen it, you are officially 1 in 100,000 and longer. So guaranteed it's gonna fit anyone. 8, 7, see, it's a beauty girl.
Hello!
1, 9, 4, 9, 6.
Damn it! We'll drop the picture. We'll show y'all the picture. I found Mickey. After 4 days, I finally found Mickey on the. We found Mickey. Sue goes going on, but we don't even care because we found Mickey. But last night, we're about to meet Mickey, the captain of the ship. Think he knows we got engaged yesterday?
I know, but I'm not right.
I've been looking for you all day, bro. The whole shit. We're about to eat at 1923. See, it's all the different rooms. Look at you, baby. Casting agents.
That's his brother.
Man got swag.
He got real. This is what you need to wear for Halloween,
Look,
baby.
Disney Bros.
That's cool.
Alright, we're about to eat at 1920, yo. 1923. Our last restaurant of our cruise on the Disney Destiny. I'll go to the bathroom. Hello, hello.
Guys, 209 or 8 or
206?
somewhere there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Got it to you. My people. The artwork in here is crazy. Just the artwork in here is insane.
Hard.
Life is a highway. Wow. Sick. I see 3 appetizers I'm getting already. The ahi tuna, I think the tortellini with the artichoke. It's a nice restaurant. It saved the best for last. Oh, I love that.
Oh my God, who is she?
We're at the 1923 restaurant, Walt's Restaurant, on the Disney Destiny. The Super Bowl is going on, and we don't even care.
Thank you.
We have the 5-star 1923. It's a special salad that I picked off the menu. Eat your soup. You got Lightning McQueen watching you. And Mater.
Oh my God.
It's good?
Yeah.
Appetizer's down. She's still working on her appetizer. We're surrounded by all the drawings. Both.
Now it's treasure.
Treasure?
Yeah, people say the treasure.
That's what everybody says.
Yeah, so it's nice. Yeah, we had a great time.
Yeah?
We went to 3 countries in 1 week. Yeah.
What you got, baby? Filet mignon?
Yes.
We got some salmon. I write without the lemon. And then we got another filet mignon. Who cares who's gonna win the Super Bowl? Filet mignon for the win. Look how pink it is.
It's so big. That's
Sauces.
Yeah. Thank you.
What's this sauce? Gravy? Appreciate it. Incredible dessert. The last dessert. We got the sundae. We got a parfait. Eat your churros, babe. You always want to eat what I got. And you picked the nasty churros. Everybody's here for the farewell party. This is the Disney Destiny in Sandra's World. One of the first people on this ship. And it's our last day. We did 4 days.
Moment right back here, Destiny discovered. So once again, that's 15 minutes for those last minute photos.
Sometimes that story isn't quite as clear.
on the Disney Destiny. We just said bye to Mickey and all the friends, all the princesses were there. Now it's time to farewell. We gotta go. Bye.
There's like Disney depression. Club on now.
Say bye to Thanos. It's okay, baby. We'll come back. We gotta go on the Disney Treasure now.
Yeah.
It's the Disney Destiny in Sanders World. We got engaged on this ship. How magical is that? Disney Destiny. Sanders World. Disney Destiny.